is good, for His mercy endureth forever. Oh, give thanks to the God of